Okay, now I want to do some basic intro stuff for EVMUX. So once you get signed in, you're going to want to create a, um, you're going to want to create your first project. Projects are basically folders. So as you can see here, I'm doing some EVMUX training. So I have a folder called EVMUX where I'm going to be doing some deep dive stuff. Then I have one for when I just go live. Then I have one for Breakthrough Walls, my podcast. And then I have one for Amazon Live because I'm an Amazon influencer and I do a lot of Amazon Live stuff. So in the EVMUX, I've created this EVMUX folder. And I'm going to go in here and I'm going to browse. I have an EVMUX logo on my desktop. And we'll just grab that. I'm going to say browse, and then I'm going to go to my desktop. Whoops, what in the world is going on here? And then I'm going to go down to, it's called, I have a lot of screenshots in there, social logo, and we'll just add that in here. We can crop it and get it to whatever size we want here. I guess it was already okay like it was. And then just click accept and we have the EVMUX logo. I have EVMUX training as the project name, and then I'll put in a description of whatever. On this I don't need a description, but I could put in a description there. And now I'm going to click save, and now I have an EVMUX logo, EVMUX's logo in here to help me signify up here, or identify rather, what folder I'm in. It's just a visual um, tool, I guess, to help you. Now, right now, you will see that I'm going to move myself off the screen. You'll see that there is 0 speakers added. There are 0 studios, no broadcast time, and no storage in this particular folder. So what I can do is I can say, let's create a, let's just do a recording. So we're going to use this particular, I'm creating a studio in here. So what we're going to use this for is we're going to use it for just straight up recording and no live streaming. So if I click live stream, that'll take me to this where I can name whatever it is I'm creating. This is just going to be recording, and we're going to say, and we'll say record locally for each participant. I'll explain. Well, you can look at that. Locally record the individual video and audio feed of each participant in up to 4K quality. Local recording is not dependent on internet quality. All recordings are available in your dashboard after ending the live stream or the recording. You can do that. I'm going to leave that off for now because I don't need that. But so give a name to the new recording. We're just going to call this EVMUX testing, and then we'll create the recording. And now it's going to take me into that particular studio that I just created. It's going to open up my camera, and as you can see, now this is putting a lot of stress on my system, but I'm going to enter the studio. I have a pretty powerful computer, so we should be okay. Your audio and video haven't been added yet. Click to add to the scene. So we're going to talk a little bit about how this scene works and dynamic scenes versus pro scenes. We're going to talk all about that in the next video. We'll be talking about the in-studio stuff, some of the stuff you can do. We'll start with dynamic scene in the next video. So I'll see you then.